Today we navigate everywhere, even when we know the place. In this video, we'll cover the 5 best navigation apps for Android. So, let's get into it. The first is Waze. Waze is, I think, the second most used navigation app. It shows the car speed as you drive and we get to see the speed cameras on the road. Waze is from Google, but it has a much better reporting system than Google Maps. Users report stuff on the road and help each other. Its other features include lane assistance, trip planning, music play, parking location saving, own voice recording for navigation, vehicle types, similar routes and many other things. Waze is best for navigation in a new city to see speed cameras and other reported things. The only problem is that it can't work offline, so you have to have an internet connection. The next is TomTom GO. TomTom GO is meant to navigate and it does that amazingly. It has a progress bar that shows the speed cameras, destination and your points of interest places. The first time you download the app, you must download maps to use it. It has the car speed and road limit with an option to report cameras. It warns you when a speed camera is close or when you cross the road limit. Its traffic reporting system is also great because it takes data from other TomTom services. Other great features of this app are lane guidance, parking location marking, adjusting route preferences and fuel prices. TomTom GO is a direct competitor of Waze rather than Google Maps because both are for navigation only. I like both very much, and the significant difference I see is that Waze does not have offline maps while TomTom GO is a premium app that costs you money. On the third position is WeGo. I don't know why people don't use it these days, but it is still one of the best navigation programs. It has improved massively and brings a road to see the progress of the trip and the traffic. Its traffic report is also up to date. We can see it suggesting going straight because of the busy road. When a speed camera is ahead, we see a warning and it makes a sound. The speedometer is also accurate. Some other features you will find are lane assistance, offline maps, satellite view, public transport support, weather reporting, roadwork detection and route preferences. WeGo has some Waze options and some Google Maps, so you can use it in the city and in new locations to explore them and navigate to them. The issue you'll find is that it does not have a voice alert mode, so you will either have to listen to everything or nothing. The next is Google Maps. We all know Google Maps. It's the most used navigation app. What I like about Google Maps is that its traffic reporting is unbeatable. The app shows the car speed as well as speed cameras. However, the speed camera detection is new, so not all cameras are visible. Also, it sometimes makes the speed camera sound when you're almost there, which is not good. Other than navigation, Google Maps has the most updated business and location directory, making it easier to explore new places. In terms of features, we get offline maps, lane guidance, public transport routes, vehicle modes, fuel prices, satellite view, live trip sharing, 3D view and much more. Google Maps also supports reporting things like Waze now, which is something I've been waiting for. However, the app is not all good. First, it's heavy and takes time to load things. Also, it has random problems sometimes. For example, it used to show a right turn here, but now it says to go left and then make a U-turn, which does not make sense. The last one is Sygic. Now, Sygic is not the best, but it's one of the trusted apps. It is a premium app just like TomTom GO, but you can use it for 7 days for free. It has improved its interface, but its iconic lane guidance has always been the same. It used to use TomTom GO's traffic data and I think it still does, so you will find similar traffic data in both. It shows the speed limit and the car speed. However, it does not do anything when the car speed crosses the speed limit. Sygic's identity is its extra features. Those include using the phone's camera as a dash cam, recording route information and driving style, and head-up display to see the route on your windshield. Its popularity has decreased a bit, but the app remains one of the top ones. Anyway, this is the end. Thanks for watching. Please let me know which is your favorite below. Catch you later. Take care.